What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. We're back with the Jeep, a follow-up video on the part 1 when I had the dog scratch the Jeep by accident. So that was all my fault, but there's a lot of scratches done to the SUV, and right now is not the time to have the hood repainted and a full color correction because of everything going on with the COVID-19. Body shops being closed, so I'm trying to avoid taking these vehicles to certain places. But we have something that's very good, and this is a product review. You guys know I love Meguiars products. I did a lot of on the detail on the inside. I use it all around all of my cars. So this kit right here is $19.99, and inside of the kit you have few things that you probably have inside of your house. If you're a car guy or a car girl, you probably have a microfiber towel. Microfiber towels are like an essential. I keep one in all of my cars just in case I spill something. I clean it up inside and out. So what's included in this Meguiars kit right here? It's a scratch erase kit, like I said, $19.99, and what you have is the Scratch XO 2.0, and this honestly works magic. I've been using it on plenty of my cars, and I'm going to show you guys an example of how to use it. Inside also you have a pad, a 4-inch pad if you need to use it. I personally just use a microfiber towel, and you have the Meguiars Scratch X 2.0. Now there's few reasons why I love Meguiars products, because a lot of their products do not cause any type of a damage if you're a rookie and not a professional, especially when you're going into detailing. So I don't want to recommend something that could cause damage to your vehicle or obviously damage any of my cars. I'm a real car guy that takes care of all my cars. So we're gonna do an example. Sorry for the lighting because I wish this was inside. One thing, before you attack to do any type of exterior work, the car or SUV needs to be clean, and you probably want to do it inside of a garage. Our garage is full, so I'm just gonna do one little example of a scratch that we have here. Alright guys, so we got the clean microfiber towel, and we're gonna apply very little amount of the Scratch X 2.0 cream, so compound, so very little amount. I'm gonna show you guys. You need to apply basically this much, not more than that. And then what you do, a lot of people don't like circular motion, but you know, I'm gonna apply it in a circular way, and you just have to keep applying until it starts drying up. Keep applying in a circular. A lot of people do left and right, but I'm gonna continue with the circular. Now obviously this is not gonna work magic if your scratch is really deep and inside of the clear coat, but a lot of scratches sometimes they seem like they're deep, but they leave a lot of dirt and residue behind inside of the scratch, and it's actually not that bad. So keep on rubbing until it dries up. And you know, we have these when we go to different types of plazas with a lot of cars, and you know, people sometimes they're reckless, unfortunately. But now once it starts drying up, you switch up the towel to a clean side, and you just like that. And as you guys can see, clear, beautiful, nothing there. Alright guys, so that was my little review on the Scratch X 2.0. This is a must-have in your garage, so I suggest anybody, if you want, go to Amazon, just buy this. Don't buy the whole kit, put it in a garage shelf, and don't get anxiety next time you get a little scratch. Try to apply this in a way that I did. Make sure your car is clean. Do it in some type of shade, not with direct sunlight, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. I hope everybody's safe. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.